What's up guys, and welcome back to another video here today, another vlog style video, and we're back in my room because, well, this is like the quietest place to record essentially. But today we're going to be looking at mods for my car, and by looking at I mean I've already installed them and they kind of look cool. So yeah, let's get into it. Alrighty guys, so the mod that I have for my car today. Now, basically I've got a lot of things that I want to do to my car and have planned for my car, but they cost a lot of money and take a lot of time. So it's not a massively crazy cool mod, like I didn't slap a turbo in it or like get a new wing or anything like that for my car. Actually, ooh, maybe I could get a wing for my car. That wouldn't be too expensive. We'll think about that later. But today we have a small mod, but a mod that really needed to get done. And we have a part 2 of this mod because I realized after changing one thing I kind of need to change another, and that always happens, it's cars. But essentially I'll show you what happened. So here, this is my light. This is my old light, should I say. You can see you got like a little crack there. Massive crack, and it's all like cracked and blah and broken. Don't know how it happened. I'm pretty sure it happened in the parking lot at work, and I think someone kind of hit my car and just didn't say anything. More than likely a ute or something, because my car's quite low, so like a ute tray would like basically easily be able to hit my light, you know. So that's what I think. But I thought about replacing it with just, you know, standard, you know, OEM light. But then I was like, nah, let's get some like frosted, like dark lights, some like cool lights. So basically, we pulled off this light, and obviously these little side lights, these they're like frosted as well. They're like old and there. Like, see, look at that in the light. It's like there. Actually looks really bad. I didn't know it looked that bad. But these are little like reverse lights and stuff like that sit in my bumper on my car. Needed to replace those because if I'm replacing those lights, gotta replace these. And then, not only that, I learned that if I replace my rear lights, I need to replace my blinkers if I'm going for a different color scheme, which I was. So we've changed it from the OEM kind of orange stuff. We're getting cleared blacked out lights that look cool, look real cool. I think, personally, at least. I mean, if you don't think they're cool, that's fine. Like, you're entitled to your wrong opinion. Nah, I'm kidding. Yeah, some people like it, some people don't. I know a lot of people want to keep their cars like OEM, especially a lot of car guys that want to keep it like basically how it was built and add on a few extra things. But I thought stuff it looks cool, so yeah, let's go take a look at the lights and see what they look like on the actual car. Let's go. Alrighty guys, now that we're outside, we can actually look and see the awesome new lights that have been put onto my car. So we're gonna have to walk over here. I have the car nice and kind of set up, I guess, is what you could say. It's not great lighting at the moment because it's outside and I can't even see the LED viewfinder. I can't even see the screen on my camera. It's that bright. Goddamn Australia. But I'll flick you around and we can have a look. Alright, so there you are. These are the tail lights, the new tail lights that I have on my car now compared to what I had previously. We come across. Nice new tail lights. They're looking badass AF. I actually really like them. Especially because if you see here, this light here, it's like a nice like solid glow that comes across at nighttime. It looks so cool. So much better than the old lights, I think. I wasn't sure about it like coming together because it did kind of look odd in the beginning. I was like, oh, this ain't gonna work. But now that I've had it on for a little bit, because I've had it on for about a week now, I think it looks awesome. The one confusing thing is though, if you see here, got a light bulb in there, but no light bulb in there, it's blanked off. And then over here, it has light bulb. So then to make things even more confusing, the one that actually has 2 light bulbs in it, the second light bulb, the bottom light bulb, which is blanked off on the other side, it doesn't even turn on. I don't know why, it just doesn't turn on. So, you know, it's weird. But yeah, now let's go look at the blinkers. So have a look at the blinkers. So now you can see my issue, right? Because the blinkers are looking all badass, but then these headlights, look how foggy and like, ugh, and disgusting they look. They look terrible. It's the same over this side as well. You got the badass blinker, but then, what the hell, man? What are these lights? So now I have to fix these lights. I've tried cleaning them a few times and tried a few different things, and it doesn't seem to work. When I say it doesn't seem to work, I mean like I've tried polishing I've tried toothpaste, and that's about it. That's about all I've tried. But I feel like that should be enough to try and figure out if it's actually going to work or not. And it hasn't, so I ordered new light covers, because thankfully with the BMWs you can actually just like clip off the light instead of replacing the entire light itself, which would be really arduous and kind of expensive, especially because I've got the cool halo lights, which I might show. I don't know if people knew that, but I've got halo lights on the front which look mint. But yeah, so they're the new lights that I have installed. Now time for some sexy footage of it. Alrighty, so that was a look at some of the lights during the daytime at least, and what the lights look like. So, I mean, do a comparison, right? These are the old lights. Now flip back to the new lights. Old lights, new lights. See, I personally, I think the new lights look pretty darn dope and a lot nicer than the old lights. Just makes it kind of like a little bit classier. The nice clean lights, so like, it's kind of like frosted slash dark. It's, well, it's not really frosted or dark, but you know, it's a darker look. And personally, I like that because I think it fits the car a little bit nicer. And hopefully it'll fit the car with the extra things that I plan to do with it as well, which I want to keep a secret at least for the moment, because they're going to take a while, sadly. Quite a while before I get anything like that done. But otherwise, yeah, thank you guys for watching. I'm going to end with some nice cool footage of the lights at nighttime. Some nice slow-mo again, but otherwise, yeah, that's going to end today's video. It's a bit of a shorter one, but I just thought I'd showcase the cool mods that I've got. I've got some few videos planned as well, where I'm going to be looking at and reviewing some new technology, like, I say new, I mean just cool technology that's new to me. Like, these bad boys just here. These are the Astro A50 Gen 4s. Nice headphones. I only got them the other day, so I plan to hopefully review those for you guys and showcase the new Astros and showcase a few of the troubles that I've been having with them, which can be quite annoying and hopefully help some people. But otherwise, yeah, that's gonna end today's video, guys. So please remember to rate, comment, and subscribe, and I should see you in the next pop down of my video, be it a vlog or hopefully you check out some of our gaming videos as well. Thanks, guys. See you next time.